What's going on, guys? Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm going to show you 3 must-try lighting setups for fashion ads. We're here in Yonkers, New York, in Todo Studios. Thank you, Darwin, for allowing me to shoot this video here. So the first thing you want to do is get a mood board together to have a rough idea on how you want to light the scene. For this first look, I got inspired by this black and white image and saw it was lit with 2 rim lights, so I decided to use the GODOX F600 bicolor 4x4 panel with a grid. This should give me a nice big spread of light, not only on my subject, but on the background too. And to light his right side, I used the GODOX M300 bicolor LED light with a 1x4 strip softbox. For this shoot, I'm going to be using the Canon C70 with the RF 15 to 35mm. I'm going to be using this lens throughout the entire shoot. I'll be shooting in 4K 24 frames per second and 120 frames per second. To record this footage, you need a pretty fast card, so I'll be using a pro grade SD card. Okay, enough with the specs, let's shoot. For the next look, I wanted a big soft light source, like a big natural window light. But the 4x4 light panel pointing directly to my subject didn't give me the quality of light I wanted. So bouncing the light from the cyc wall is going to give me a bigger light source. I still felt like the bottom half of his body wasn't getting enough light. So I used the GODOX P600R to also bounce off the cyc wall, but pointing it lower on the wall, and that worked really well. His right side was too dark, so I used the M300 and pointed it at the wall directly behind me to fill in those shadows. And here's the final look to that setup. For this last setup, I wanted some color, so I set the P600R to blue and bounced it off the floor so it could create a gradient on the wall. As the key light, I used the M300 bicolor with a 36-inch diffuser with a grid. And here's that final video.
Bring it.
Alright guys, I hope these setups inspire you for your next shoot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll catch you next time.